Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today guys, have you ever wondered what dogs would text you if you even have a dog? If you don't have a dog, you can just leave, but for you not to, cause I like having views on my channel. But have you guys ever wondered that throughout the day? And the clip and the pictures I'm about to show you, none of these belong to me. They all belong to their rightful owners. Okay? Same with the audio. The song belongs to its rightful owner too. So yeah, just a disclaimer, none of that belongs to me. But yeah, subscribe, like the video, turn post notifications on, and subscribe if I haven't said that already, and enjoy the video.